the most popular sound in the entire car industry. It's the best sound in the car industry. And today I'm going to tell you why it even happens. So the sound you just heard is called a turbo flutter. This sound is the sound that gets all car geeks up and running. If you don't know how turbos work, turbos are basically air compressors or a turbine that compresses air so that your engine can have more air to burn more fuel to get more power. But if you don't really know what's a turbo, I really recommend this video here from Donut Media, which will clear all your doubts so you can really understand how a turbocharger works. So, as I was saying, a turbocharger is an air compressor or turbine that sends in air into your intake manifold or your engine's mouth so you can burn more fuel, right? Because you can't just give the engine more fuel and expect it to burn. It won't burn because there's no oxygen. So the exhaust gases on a normal engine will just be thrown away because you wouldn't like gases to any purpose, right? That's where turbos come in. The turbo will be spinning thanks to the exhaust gases coming from your engine. So the hot side of a turbo will be spinning because of those gases coming from your engine. So in turn, that turbine on the hot side will spin another turbine on the cold side, which in turn sucks in air. So the thing is, when you release the throttle or release the gas pedal, the air that has come from the turbo has to go somewhere, right? So that's what happens. The air goes back into the turbo, and instead of having that seamless, motion of like air going into the turbo, it's going to be a disturbed motion of air getting out of the turbocharger. Because when you let go of the throttle, the engine is like, hey, I don't need all the air anymore. You can take it. So there's no other way for the air to go. So the only way would be to go back for the turbocharger. And that's what causes that sound. But in turn, there's a way of killing that sound, if you even want to kill it though. So what you do is install a blow-off valve. So the blow-off valve is installed between the air cooler and your intake manifold. So when you let go of the throttle, instead of that air going back to the turbocharger, it instead will be released into the atmosphere by the blow-off valve. So when the air is going into the intake manifold, it won't get out to the atmosphere through the blow-off valve. But when it's coming back, it goes into the blow-off valve and into the atmosphere. So depending on how good your blow-off valve is, you're not going to have any sound. And you're only going to have that sound because it's air being released into the atmosphere. So you can choose either you want or you want both sounds in your engine and calibrate the blow-off valve. So I hope you guys understood this video. If you did, make sure to give it a like, comment, subscribe right here. Don't forget to check out this video from Donut Media so you can learn more about turbochargers, their history, and all of that stuff. And share this video, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.